Welcome back to the AI 102 exam-style Q&A series. Here's question 3. You have 2 Azure subscriptions. Subscription 1 contains an existing Azure AI Foundry resource called AI-Factory. Subscription 2 contains an existing Azure AI Hub resource called AI Hub 1. You need to create a project in Azure AI Foundry. Connect that project to AI Hub 1 and minimize both administrative effort and the number of Azure resources. So the question is, what should you create first? The correct answer is an Azure AI Foundry resource in Subscription 1. Here's why. Projects can only be created inside Azure AI Foundry. Since Subscription 1 already has an AI Foundry resource, we should reuse it to create the project. After the project is created, it can then be connected to the existing AI Hub in Subscription 2. This approach reuses existing resources, avoids unnecessary services, and minimizes both cost and administration. Exactly what the question asks for. Now, let's quickly see why the other options are incorrect. Creating an Azure AI Foundry resource in Subscription 2 is unnecessary, because one already exists in Subscription 1. This increases cost and administrative work. Creating an Azure AI Hub resource in Subscription 1 is also unnecessary, because an AI Hub already exists in Subscription 2. Creating an Azure Key Vault instance is not required as the first step. It may be created automatically later if needed, but it is not relevant to initial project creation. Exam tip: projects are always created inside Azure AI Foundry. AI hubs can already exist and be connected afterward. So remember, when the question says minimize effort and resources, always reuse what already exists. If you found this question helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so we can bring you more AI 102 exam-style Q&A sessions. See you in the next question.